Hi there, I'm Soursop leaf. I'm not just any plant. I have a very specific role to play. I contain acetogenins. These are natural compounds with powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. You will usually find me as a tea or in capsules, acting as supportive nutrition while you undergo chemotherapy. Remember, I am a companion, not a replacement. Always consult and follow your doctor's advice, and keep taking your hospital medications. Be careful though. Excessive long-term use can be neurotoxic, which means it may affect your nerves. So, please, use me wisely. Personal research is great, but medical advice is the priority. Follow Journal Daun for more herbal tips.